Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely wonderful Mini Cooper S with the added benefit of the John Cooper Works kit. It's got the certificate with it. It's in a beautiful grey colour. Car drives absolutely superb. As you can see, it's got the twin Works exhausts on it there. Nice little badge on the back there as well. It's got the black roof. Boots in lovely condition. You've got the parcel shelf. It's got the lovely interior. Multifunction steering wheel with I'll focus it in. Cruise control. Lovely way of starting the car. Press the button down there. 94,826 miles. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. It has literally just arrived, and it drives lovely. Like I say, you've got climate control. Sounds lovely. Got aux and USB down there. DJH are full dealer facilities, doing finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.